We are soothing our sweet babe to sleep. Hi everyone, this is Maria with TTPM. Here we have the Fisher-Price Smart Connect Soothing Motion Seat. This is a new techie baby swing from Fisher-Price that helps soothe and calm baby by mimicking the rocking and bouncing action of being in a parent's arms. This swing has 3 movement settings: bounce, sway, and bounce and sway. There are 10 songs, 2 nature sounds, vibration mode, and 6 speeds to choose from. The seat of the swing is cushy and deep, providing a nice and snug supportive seat for baby. A 2-point recline allows parents to make sure baby is comfortable, and a mobile hangs overhead with 3 toys. Bluetooth technology allows parents to connect the swing to a smart device to control the music, sounds, and movement options. A timer is also included. The entire frame of the seat is sleek and doesn't take up as much space. Fisher-Price has kept the parents in mind by raising the seat high off the ground, making it easier for parents to pick baby up and interact. This swing comes with an AC adapter that plugs into the wall. No batteries are ever needed. The seat of this swing is machine washable for a quick clean. Overall, this is a great swing that will help soothe baby to sleep while having parents be hands-free. The toys, music, vibrations, and bounce features are all ideal for playtime and nap time. The Fisher-Price Smart Connect Soothing Motion Seat is for ages birth up to 25 pounds or until baby tries to crawl out of the seat. This is made by Fisher-Price. For more information, including where to buy and current pricing, come find us at TTPM and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews every day.